Very warm greetings to all. Let's start with the Vedic mathematics tutorial number 8. So in the previous tutorial we have seen that how we have multiplied single digit and double digit, three digits, and with using the different base also. So how to use the different bases like 50 and 60 in place of 10 and 200 in place of 100. Now we will see if we have the number to multiply of different bases. Say for example, I'll take one value over here, 992. So if I take here 992 multiply by 93. So if I take this value over here, so if I have to multiply this, then what to do? Now the question is now what to do. So here you can see that one is with the 3 digits and one is with the 2 digits. So here 1000 and here I might have to consider 100. That's the problem. So what I'll do, I'll first try to make this 2 digit in a 3 digit number. How I can do that? I will basically uh, take a ratio of both the bases. Say for example, for this I have to consider 1000. So I'll take the base 1000 over here. And for this I have to take a base 100. So I'll take the ratio of this 1000 for the below one, that is 100. So if I take this ratio, so I'll get the value 10. Then what I'll do, I'll multiply this 93 with 10. So I'll get the value 930. So now I'll multiply this 93 with 10. So I got the value here 930. So the value is 930. Now what I'll do, now I can solve 992 and 930 as they are of now same base. So 992 multiply by 930 as we have solved earlier also. The similar way I'll solve it. So if I have to solve it, what I'll get over here, so I consider now 1000. Now I'll consider the 1000 as the base because it considers 3 digits, so 3 zeros. With considering 1000 as a base, it will be nothing but minus 8, and this will be nothing but a minus 70. But remember, we have to take care that how many digits should I have over here. So that is the one thing which I have to take care, that how many digits I have to keep over here. So the digits, 3 digits. So I have to make it 0, 0, 8. Similarly, if I do 930 minus 1000, so I'll get over here 70 value, but I have to keep it in a 3 digit, so it will be minus 0, 7, 0. So this is what I am getting over there. So let's see how we can solve it now. So either I can go with this or I can go with this. So as I can see that which one will be easier. So if I do this one, then I have to take 2 will come over here, and 9 and 7 it will come something related to 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. So I'll get the value over here 922. So it's simpler for me to 922. Or I can see 930 minus 8, obviously 922 plus 8 is 930. That is also one way. This is the one thing I got. Now next thing what I have to do is 70 into 8. So if I do 70 into 8, so what I'll get now, if I do 70 into 8, I'll get 8 7 56, so 560. So I'll get 5 6 0. So since this is also 3 digits, so no carry forward. If it is a 4 digit, then I have to carry forward over here. Otherwise it is 3 digit, as 3 zeros are there, and it's fine. So now what I have to do, I have to join this 922 560 together. So now that my number is 922 5 6 0. Now what I have to take care over here, that I have taken a ratio. I have made this 93 into 930, so this is the value with the 930, so I have to get it value with the 93. So what I have to do here, whatever the ratio come over here, like 10, I have to divide this value with the ratio value, that is 10, which comes over here. 1000 divided by 100, which is 10, so this is 10. So this 0 and this 0 will cancel out, so my answer will be 9229256, and this answer will be for 992 into 992 into 93 actually. So this is what I have to take care. This is the answer for 992 into 93, not 930 now, because I divided it by 10, so it becomes this. So let's, if I have to cross check it, so I can cross check it also. So we can divide it, we can cross check it, so it will give us the value of 92256 over there. So that is how we can solve it, and we can get the value of two different bases over there. Similarly, if I have to check it out with the, say, 1005 1005 to be, say, multiplied by 102, so now what to do? So here I have to take again one, this is nothing but 3 zeros, and this is 100, so this is again 1000 divided by 100, so again the value will come 10, because out of 1000 I can take, and out of 1000 if I take 102, it will be very, very large value. So what I can do here is, the ratio will be coming, so it is a 3 digits, 1 2 3 zeros I have to consider. So because I will be subtracting from 1000, so 1000 actually, so 3 digits for the zeros, so that is 3 zeros basically, and divided by for this I am considering 2 zeros, that is 100, so it becomes 100. So here I'll get the value again 10. So what I have to do over here, I have to simply multiply 1005 with 1020, because now I have to multiply this 10 with 1020, so it will become 1020. So I have multiplied the value with the 102 of 10, the ratio value. Now I'll solve it out as a simple way of solving with the 1000. So I get over here plus 5, I'll get here plus 5 and plus 20, so I'll get over here. So remember, the zeros we have to put, that is to be very careful. So here, since I am considering 1000, so I have to put 3 zeros over here, so this will be actually 3 zeros, that means 0 0 5 plus 0 2 0. So if I sort it out this, so I can take either this or I can take either this. This will become nothing but 1025. This will be 1025, and this will be 100. This will be 100. Now this 1025100 is the number which I will divide by 10. So I have to divide this 1025100 by the ratio value which comes. So this is 10. So this 1010 will cancel. So I'll get the value for 105 into 102. So 105 into 102 is equals to 102510. So that is what the value I will get for this. So 102510 I will get over there. So like this we can sort it out for the different bases over there. So 992 and 993. So I hope you all have understood it very well and learned something new today. Thank you all for watching it. God bless you all. Stay blessed.